Hey, it's Doug Atkinson, and I'm here at Commvault GO 2017 with Bill Wohl, Chief Communication Officer at Commvault. And we are at the Expo Center of their customer conference, and this is really only the second customer conference. We were talking about this last night at dinner. Only the second customer conference, and why? I mean, this is an amazing thing. You got a couple thousand people here, vendors, all the big solution providers. It's an amazing event.
Well, Doug, it's great to chat with you, and this is the only second conference that we've done, which is kind of amazing. We're a 20-year-old software company. Our focus has always been about our products and solutions, and they sold themselves really well. When we saw an opportunity to bring together a community of people, um, customers and partners and developers and the people that use the solutions and put them in a place to create that community environment, and they were asking for it. They wanted to get together with the experts. And so Commvault Go gave us a platform to do that, and I'm so excited that this year is even more successful than last year. We didn't think we could top it, and we've now done that, and that's exciting. We look forward to a whole series of these events in the years to come.
Well, this is day two, and we've been chatting with people for the past couple of days, customers, partners, Commvault executives. When somebody comes here, they spend a couple days in addition to obviously getting to go to all of the various breakout sessions and so forth. What do you hope they take away?
Well, look, what we know most about our customers is that while they love our products, they may not know everything that Commvault has to offer. A lot of our core business is in straight up backup, and that is increasingly important in an era of ransomware and cyber attacks and changing technology. But the breadth of our offering and the additions to that our partners can bring to the table is what an event like this really brings to light. I mean, so many customers I've met who said, I didn't know that Commvault did all of this stuff. And now I can understand why the platform allows us to extend from backup to archive to disaster recovery across on-premises solutions all the way to a multi-cloud strategy. That helps. They also don't always get visibility to the broad ecosystem of partners. They may just work with Commvault and not understand that LucidWorks that's in the picture, that Red Hat is built into hyperscale technology, that we can support 40 plus cloud offerings. But more importantly, we want people to come away from an event like this feeling like they are a part of an extended community of people that really focus on data management as a discipline, as an expertise, even as a passion, that they're not alone in the problems that they're facing in managing their environments, and to create their own mini network of people that they can call on, not just Commvault, but peers in the customer space for advice and counsel and inspiration. That's what happens when you put people of like interest together for a couple of days, and that's been a very positive outcome. We also we want people to understand Commvault for what it is, a group of people really passionate about managing the data. Last year's results, the surveys from last year's event, told us that we had to repeat the aspect of of this trade show, which is I have access to Commvault people, whether it's CEO Bob Hammer, all the way down to the developers that build the software. People told us in droves last year, the fact that I can actually talk to Commvault people, when I'm so used to going to industry trade shows of 20, 30,000 people, and I never meet anyone from the company who's hosting the show. So even as Commvault Go grows over the years, we're determined to maintain an environment in which our customers and our partners can be fully engaged with Commvault people.
Well, and the whole data storage, data center, the whole environment is very much about bringing partners together. There's so many moving parts, there's so many dots to connect, and you have so many of your partners out here now. I'm wondering, where do you see this Commvault story going? I know that we've heard a lot from Bob about single pane of glass and really trying to bring everything together. What's really the Commvault story in a nutshell?
You know, when I joined the company a couple of years ago, someone said to me, Commvault's really part of the plumbing of IT. What we do is sort of happens down in the data center or up in the cloud, and it is invisible. But what's changed over the last couple of years, and not because of what we're doing, but also because of what's happening in the marketplace, the true unveiling of hybrid IT, customers with multi-cloud strategies, the changing regulations in the business, data is moving back up out of the bowels of the data center and becoming a strategic imperative. So I think what that means for Commvault and our customers is that more and more this becomes a strategic play. what we're able to do in protecting data is pretty well known and understood. That's why we're a leader in the Magic Quadrant for Gartner and in the Forrester Wave.
7 years in a row.
7 years in a row on the Gartner side, which is impressive in its own right. That's about protecting the data. Now, as the demands from the business units and from compliance require people to have that data exposed so we can use it, analyze it, get value from it, make faster business insight decisions from it, that's when this gets really interesting, because what we're doing with customers together and with our partners becomes really strategic to the business.
Well, it's been an amazing couple of days for us. We've enjoyed talking to your customers, certainly gotten a lot of value out of talking to the partners and the Commvault executives as well. Thanks for all your hospitality. You put on a hell of a show.
It's great, it's great to have Solutions Review here so that your readers and your viewers can get exposed to what happens at Commvault GO. We're going to announce at the party tonight, so you can't broadcast this until then. The Commvault GO next year will be in Nashville, which is a fantastic city.
Nice.
We want to encourage people to put it on your calendars. It'll be right about this time of year in Nashville. After that, we're going to continue going to Gaylord properties, including Denver and Orlando. We now see a community building around Commvault, a lot of excitement around the topic of how data gets protected, used, and value comes from it, and we'll be excited to have Solutions Review return. Thanks for being with us.
We'd be happy to be there. Thanks a lot.
My pleasure.